Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So, here, uh, this class is NC aptitude, NC aptitude, non-credit. This class is for non-credit. So, in this class, we have discussed regarding physics, physics numerical, which you are already, I think you are already studied in class 11 or 12 like this. So in this class, we are discussing about the chapter of dynamics. The chapter of dynamics means motion. So I think you know well about the speed of light, sorry, speed, velocity, acceleration, the basic concept already you have, I think you know. So, so we are only solve some of the problems which I have written. Just wait, I am sharing my screen. Just wait. Yes, you are visible. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So uh, in class 11, you are already told, you are already studied acceleration, velocity, speed, uh, types of acceleration, types of velocity, like this. And you know about the concept of V is equal to U plus A into T, V square is equal to U square plus 2AS, uh, S is equal to UT plus half AT square, like this. All things you all know these things very well. I hope that you you solve these problems accordingly. Now, so we start just a minute. Pankaj Kumar Sahu, go on go. Now, we start, a body starts from rest. A body, suppose a body is initially in the position of rest and acquires a velocity of 12 meters per second. Here, velocity is given as 12 meters per second in 5 seconds. Here, time is given 5 seconds. Now, calculate the acceleration and distance traveled. Calculate the acceleration. Hello? Shubham Kumar Mato, unmute yourself. So, in this question, just you think the basic of this question. The basic is that a body, initially a body is at rest condition, means the body has no velocity. So you all know that there are two velocities. One is initial velocity and another is final velocity. So initial velocity can be denoted by u and final velocity is denoted by v. So here the body is in the rest condition, means the initial velocity is 0. So we can write here u is equal to 0 because the body is in the rest condition. So the velocity u is equal to 0. and acquire a velocity of 12 meter per second. After that, the velocity should be changed from 0 to 12 meter per second. Means the body moves with the velocity of this. Means the velocity of the body is v is equal to 12 meter per second, and the time is given here 5 seconds. So t is equal to, we can write 5 seconds. So calculate the acceleration a. We have to measure a. Acceleration means a, and the distance traveled. Distance means s. So here given parameters are u, v, t, and measurement parameters are a and s. So if v, u, t, a are given, so in that case we can select v is equal to u plus a into t. जब v, u, a और t दिया हुआ है, a हमको कैलकुलेट करना है, t दिया हुआ है, u and v are also given. So in this case, if in this place of v we can put the value 12 is equal to the value of u is given as 0 plus a into t. A acceleration is to be determined, and the time t is equal to given as 5. So a into 5. So here this equation can be written as a is equal to v minus u divided by t. This u will goes towards left. So sign, plus sign will change into minus. So v minus u is equal to a into t. A is equal to v minus u divided by t. The value of v is 12 minus u is 0 divided by the value of t is 5. Here I have written 5. So 12 divided by 5 is equal to 2.4 meter per second square. The unit of acceleration in SI system is meter per second square. So we can write meter per second square acceleration. Now, second thing is the distance table. Calculate the distance table. So in this case, here v, u, t, and a, all these parameters are given here. V, u, t are already given in this question. A acceleration should be calculated using this parameter. So acceleration we have got 2.4 meter per second square. So all these parameters are having. Now we have to calculate only s. So we know that s is equal to ut plus half at square. Here I have written is equal to the value of u is equal to 0 into t. T is given as 5 plus half a. The value of a is 2.4 into t square. T square means 5 into 5. 5 square means 5 into 5. So here 0 into 5 is equal to 0 plus here 2.5 into 25 divided by 2. On solving this, we got 30 meter. So this is the simple question, and this type of question will ask on your competitive exam also. So you cannot understand overlook this type of question. This type of question will ask in your competitive exam, like for your railway PT exam or BPSC. If you go to give your BPSC exam, JPSC for JPSC question, this type of question will ask. JPSC will ask. So first you know the basic concepts about VUA, VUATS, and After knowing the basic concept of V, U, A, T, there are 3 to 4 uh, formulas are having. One is V is equal to U plus A into T, V square is equal to U square plus A 2AS, S is equal to UT plus half UT square, S equal to V into T, like this. And these four formulas are very much helpful to solve this type of questions. Now, second question is a car moving with a velocity of 30 meter per second is stopped by the application of brakes, which impart a retardation of 6 meter per second square to the car. Retardation here, some of the candidate does not know about retardation. Acceleration means if a car or if a body or something like this moving with some velocity, means suppose 10 kilometer per hour, 10 kilometer per hour. So in this case, the acceleration is given as 10 kilometer per hour, 10 meter per second square. Here, if we apply a brakes, means the velocity of the velocity of the car is given as 30 meter per second. When we apply a brake on the car, the velocity should be decreases. So due to apply brake on the car, the negative sign produced in the car velocity. So that part is known as retardation, just opposite of acceleration. So here retardation is 6 meter per second square given. So retardation is, we know that retardation is the negative part of acceleration. So due to this, we can write V is equal to, here U is equal to 30 meter per second. Initially 30 meter per second is given here, velocity of initial car, and after apply a brake, the retardation should be 6 meter per second square. Means here A is equal to 6 meter per second square. So first question is, how long does it take for the car to come to a stop? How long does means we have to calculate how long does it take for the car to come to rest, means we calculate the time. Now second question, how far means distance. How far, here far, how far does the car travel during the time brakes are applied? Far means distance. So in first question, we know that V is equal to U plus A into T. So here the value of U is given here 30 meter per second and V should be 0. So in this case, we have applied the formula V is equal to U plus A into T. So V, in place of V, we can write 0 is equal to, in place of U, we can write 30 plus A into T. The value of A means retardation is given here minus 6 meter per second square. So here plus into minus is minus. A, in place of A, we can write 6 into T. Or here this minus 60 will come towards left direction. So 60 is equal to 30. So T is equal to 5 seconds. Second question, how far, means we have to calculate the distance. So here the parameters are given as V, here V is equal to 0, U is given, also A is also given here, and we have to so in this case, which of the formula we have to use? So V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. This formula will be used because here the parameters are given as V is equal to 0, U is equal to 30, A is given as minus 6, and S should be measured. So in place of V square, we can write 0 because the value of V is given as 0 minus minus U value of U is 30. So 30 square is equal to 2 into A. A is given as minus 6 into S we have to measure the S. So 0 minus 30 into 30 is equal to 2 minus 12, 2 into 6 minus 12 into S. So S is equal to 30 divided by 2 into 6. Here minus sign and this minus sign. Look my cursor. Minus sign and minus sign will be cancelled. So rest part is 30 divided by 2 into 6. So we have got S is equal to 75 meter. So among these two questions, if you have any doubt, please ask. If you have any doubt among these two questions, you ask. Anybody? Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? Aryan Kumar, mechanical branch. You have any doubt? Aryan?
No, sir. No, sir.
No. Manish Kumar, CSE branch.
No, sir.
No. Nitu Kumari, civil. Nitu, is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Then I will go through for next question. Next question is a stone is dropped from a rising balloon. ध्यान से सुनो. A stone is dropped from a rising balloon at a height of 76 meter. Means a rising balloon moves in the upward direction and the stone is dropped in the downward direction. So height is given as 76 meter above the ground and reaches the ground in 6 seconds. Means the time taken by the stone reaching the ground is 6 seconds. What was the velocity of the balloon when the stone was dropped? What was the velocity of the balloon when the stone was dropped? Means here, suppose if a body is falling from upward direction to ground, it may be g is equal to minus 9.8 meter per second square. We know that if anybody falls from upward direction to downward direction or in ground, the value of g is equal to minus 9.8 meter per second square. Here I have written here value acceleration is equal to this and s is given here 76 meter. Here 76 meter is given here. Now the time taken by the stone to reaching the ground is 6 seconds. 6 seconds. So here time is 600 seconds. Then what will we measure? What was the velocity of the balloon when the stone was dropped? Means s is equal to ut plus half a t square. So here s is given as 76 minus 76 is equal to u into t. T is given as 6 plus half a. A means the value of a is minus 9.8. So here minus into plus is minus. And in place of a we can write 9.8 into t. T square means 6 into 6. So here minus 76. This part is 6u. 6u. Just a minute. When this 6u is written in the left direction, 6u is equal to, on solving this, we can write 176.4 minus 76. Here, this 76 is written here. That's why 6u is equal to 100.4, means u is equal to 100.4 divided by 6, means u is equal to 16.7 meter per second. U is the velocity, so its unit is meter per second. Remember this question: a stone is dropped. First, a balloon is going upward direction, and stone is dropped from upward direction to ground direction, and the height is 76 meters. And stone was taken 6 seconds to reaching the ground, which is given in this question. What was the velocity of the balloon? Velocity of the balloon, that is, we have calculated u. U is equal to this much when stone was dropped. So all these things are given here. So we have to apply a formula: S is equal to ut plus half at square. Another formula does not take here, because v is equal to u plus n2 into t. If we take this formula, then in this question, the velocity of the balloon we have measured. So here, if we can write v is equal to u plus n2 t. So in this case, there are two velocities are given in this type of formula. Again, another formula: if we take v square is equal to u square plus 2as. So in this formula, these values are not suitable, successfully put. So we have choose another formula, that is S is equal to ut plus half at square. The value, all these values are put in this equation, and the value, the velocity is measured to be 16.7 meter per second. Meter per second, because all the parameters here, like s, acceleration, time, all are given in SI system. So velocity of the stone, velocity of the balloon is written as in the form of meter per second. Now, here in question 4, question 4, brakes are applied
वो वाला
to,
क्वेश्चन नहीं समझा सर।
yes,
सर उसमें वेलोसिटी किसका निकालना है सर?
वेलोसिटी किसका निकालना, रुको। हाँ, किसने क्वेश्चन किया ये? बोलो।
हाँ सर।
चलो, पंकज साहब।
यस सर, वेलोसिटी बलून का निकालना है।
पंकज, ठीक। यहाँ क्वेश्चन देखो, पहले क्वेश्चन क्या होगा? A stone is dropped from a rising balloon. First you think about the question, basic concept of this question. A stone is dropped from a rising balloon. Balloon is moving in the upward direction. At a height of 76 meters above from the ground. Means to the surface, balloon moves at a distance of 76 meters, and at 76 meter above the ground, from the value, stone is dropped towards the ground level, and the stone takes time 6 seconds to reaching the ground. स्टोन को बैलून 76 मीटर हाइट पर जो उठा है वहां से स्टोन ड्रॉप कर रहा है, फॉल टुवर्ड्स द ग्राउंड स्टेज, और फॉल होने में, गिरने में जो समय लगा, इट टेक्स टाइम 30 सेकेंड. सम ऑफ द कैंडिडेट जी रांगू, आई डोंट नो, इज ही, who is he? Jirangu, you cannot display my link, otherwise you have to face some problem. Jirangu is not my student, not our student. Previous class I have already faced this type of problems. I have already told to principal sir कि मेरे क्लास में ये हो रहा है. अब अगर इस तरह का होगा तो समझ लेना तुम लोग, हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं. हेलो हेलो,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
इस तरह का लिंक तुम लोग इस तरह का लिंक को सर्कुलेट मत करो. इसीलिए हम हर बच्चे को बोले हैं कि अपना नाम और ब्रांच लिखे, क्योंकि हम YouTube बना रहे हैं. YouTube में सब चीज रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है. पिछला 12 जून को हमने फेस किया है प्रॉब्लम को, और उसका रिकॉर्डिंग भी है, YouTube भी बना हुआ है. अगर टाइम से 10 मिनट के अंदर कोई घुसा, एंट्री हुआ, देन आई विल एक्सेप्ट दैट स्टूडेंट. अदरवाइज देखो, जी रांगू एस वालिया इलेक्ट्रिकल, इस तरह का कोई स्टूडेंट नहीं है. इसीलिए सिर्फ अपना नाम से हम बोलते हैं. पिछला बार मनमोहन हांसदा का नाम से घुसा है एक लड़का. मनमोहन हांसदा बाद में हमको फोन करके बोलता है कि नहीं सर हम नहीं थे, लेकिन हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं. ऑलरेडी सब कुछ दिख रहा है साइट में, उसका यूट्यूब बन रहा है. तुम लोग प्रॉब्लम समझो, मेरा कुछ नहीं जाएगा, ये रिकॉर्डिंग थाना में हम दे देंगे. फिर अपने समझ जाओगे. हमारा काम नहीं है खोजना. तुहिन मंडल इंटर करना चाह रहा है, 2:30 से मेरा क्लास स्टार्ट है, अपग्रेड कर रहे हैं, इसके बाद फिर एक क्लास आएगा. इस तरह प्रॉब्लम करोगे तो दिक्कत होगा ना. हमको तो कहीं ना कहीं अपना ये करना होगा. क्या तरीका है? तुम लोग को नोट्स हम क्यों देंगे? तुम लोग अपने में मजा लेना चाहते हो तो मेहनत करो. थ्योरी ऑफ रिलेटिविटी का 12 जून के बाद भी हम सोच रहे थे देंगे, लेकिन जब सर्कुलेट ही करना चाहते हो तो करो. हम नहीं देंगे, कुछ अपने से बनाओ. 2 चैप्टर बचा हुआ है, खुद से बनाओ. एंड इन दिस एग्जाम आई हैव आस्क्ड मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन थ्रू ये थ्योरी ऑफ रिलेटिविटी. मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन आई विल आस्क फ्रॉम थ्योरी ऑफ रिलेटिविटी. चलो, तुम्ही लोग को आता है, बताओ क्या नाम बार बार शेयर कर रहे हो. ये सब लिंक, जब लिंक भेजा जा रहा है क्लास के लिए, इस तरह का क्वेश्चन बता रहे हैं, कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में आएगा ये सब. अभी अभी सब ब्रांच है, कोई भी स्टूडेंट क्लास में इंटर करोगे, क्लास 9 बजे अगर है, 9:10 में इंटर किया ठीक है, अगर 12:30 में है क्लास ले रहे हैं, 12:40 तक इंटर किया ठीक है, अदरवाइज नहीं लेंगे आप। और मेरा क्लास में फर्स्ट हाफ में जिसका क्लास नहीं था वो भी इंटर हो रहा है, मैकेनिकल सिविल स्टूडेंट का ही था उसमें क्लास, तो इलेक्ट्रिकल सीएससी का आने का क्या जरूरत है हमारे क्लास में? एट द सेम टाइम मनोज सर विल टेक क्लास। जब हम रूटीन के आधार पर क्लास ले रहे हैं, यू फॉलो रूटीन। जिसका जो क्लास है उसी समय आओ, हमारे क्लास में आओगे कोई लाभ नहीं मिलने वाला है। अटेंडेंस तो सिर्फ मैकेनिकल और सिविल का बनेगा उस समय, जब इलेक्ट्रिकल सिविल ईसी और सीएससी रहेगा उस पीरियड में सिर्फ उन्हीं 3 ब्रांच को बेनिफिट मिलेगा, मैकेनिकल सिविल को नहीं मिलेगा उस पीरियड में। इस तरह प्रॉब्लम मत करो, गलत चीज है। यूट्यूब तैयार हो रहा है यार, इसका समझ क्यों नहीं रहे तुम? सब कुछ एवरीथिंग हैज टू बी सीन इन यूट्यूब। समझता ही नहीं कि कोई भी बात, लिंक शेयर कर देता है, जो लड़का बाहर से आना चाहता है वो भी फंस जाएगा इसमें बुरी तरह। तुहिन मंडल, तुहिन तुहिन
यस सर।
लेट क्यों आ रहा था जी?
सॉरी सर, देखे नहीं थे सर।
है?
सर लिंक आया था, देखे नहीं थे सर, सॉरी सर।
सो गया था तो हम क्या करेंगे बोलो? लेट में
सो
आओगे
रहे नहीं थे
इंटरव्यू
सर।
करेंगे। सभी को बोल रहे हैं, सिर्फ तुहिन को नहीं बोल रहे हैं। हाँ, कहां पर बोल रहे थे वो? पंकज सर क्वेश्चन किया था। हाँ, स्टोन का हम लोग वेलोसिटी, जो भी हम फिर से इसको रिपीट कर रहे हैं क्वेश्चन 3 को। बैलून मूव्स अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन and it reaches a height of 76 मीटर from the ground। ग्राउंड से 76 मीटर का दूरी पर बैलून उठा हुआ है। एंड फ्रॉम दिस बैलून ए स्टोन इज ड्रॉप, मीन्स स्टोन is dropped from the balloon, and when it reaches to the ground, means stone reaches to the ground, it takes time t is equal to 6 seconds। यहां देखो दिया हुआ t is equal to 6 seconds। So in this question, what was the velocity of the balloon? कितना वेलोसिटी उस बैलून में था when the stone was dropped? At the time of dropping of the stone, the velocity of the balloon is to be calculated. So according to this question, we have write s is equal to 76 meter. Acceleration a is equal to, we know that if a particle is dropped from upward direction to ground level, then the value of a is equal to minus 9.8 meter per second square। इतना होता है। t here t is given in this question।
लेकिन बलून तो सर ऊपर जा रहा तो जी तो प्लस में होना चाहिए ना सर।
यहाँ ए एक्सीलरेशन ये किसका बोल रहे हैं? स्टोन का। अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन लोअर डायरेक्शन में फॉलो रहा, तब उसका टाइमिंग जो है टी, ये एक्सीलरेशन के आधार पर टाइमिंग टी ले रहा है 6 सेकेंड। ठीक है, स्टोन फॉल हो रहा है, उस केस में GA इज इक्वल टू इतना -9.8 मीटर पर सेकेंड। बैलून जो मत पढ़ो, ठीक है पंकज? हेलो, तो S इज इक्वल टू UT प्लस हाफ AT स्क्वायर। S 76 U इंटू 6, T का वैल्यू है 6 प्लस हाफ A मीन्स -9.8, -9.8, तो माइनस इंटू प्लस माइनस हाफ 9.8 इंटू T स्क्वायर, तो T का वैल्यू है 6 इंटू 6, तो 6U, या 6U is coming into the left hand side is equal to, here on solving this we have got 176.4 minus this 76, so 6 is U is equal to 100.4, then U is equal to 16.7 meter per second. U be the velocity of the balloon, U be the velocity of the balloon when the stone was dropped, velocity of the balloon when the stone was dropped means it reaching to the ground. When stone reaching to the ground, the velocity of the balloon should be 16.7 meter per second.
हेलो सर।
हाँ,
सर इक्वेशन स्टोन के लिए लिखे हैं और वेलोसिटी निकालने हैं बैलून का।
आशुतोष हाँ बोलो, क्या बोल रहे?
सर इक्वेशन लिखे हैं स्टोन के लिए और वेलोसिटी निकाले हैं बैलून का।
यहाँ देखो क्वेश्चन को पढ़ो ना, अच्छा से पढ़ो इसको पढ़ लो, फिर नेक्स्ट क्लास में हमसे बात करना, ठीक है? अभी और भी बचा हुआ है, इसमें मेरा चार्ज नहीं है ज्यादा। ठीक है,
ठीक
तो
सर,
नेक्स्ट
ठीक
क्लास
सर।
में फिर हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे, तुम लोग इसको बनाओ तो फिर बात करेंगे। और भी मेरा क्वेश्चन है, brakes are applied to a train traveling at 72 km per hour, means initial velocity of the train is 72 km per hour. After passing over 200 meter, after passing over 200 meter, its velocity is reduced. 200 मीटर पार होने के बाद इसका वेलोसिटी कितना हो जा रहा है? 36 किलोमीटर पर आवर। मीन्स द वेलोसिटी चेंजेस हियर, u is given here, u is equal to 72 किलोमीटर पर आवर and v is equal to 36 किलोमीटर पर आवर, and here s is given here 200 मीटर। तो यहाँ here kilometer is given here and for s meter is given. So according to this we have to convert किलोमीटर इन मीटर। किलोमीटर को हम लोग किस में करेंगे कन्वर्ट? मीटर में। सो इन दिस केस u is equal to 72 किलोमीटर पर आवर, here I have written, and it is converted to